How to log out from Messenger. In order to do that, head over here to the three lines, click right here on your gear icon, and then from in there, just scroll down until you reach in here all of this. Click on the switch account, and then from in there, you can just head over and then switch your account, and that will actually essentially log you out for this particular part. Now, if you want to log out completely and you want to log out all of your accounts right here, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, and then for your settings, just head over and then look for the option called apps. Now, from in there, click on this app in here again, and then look for the option called Messenger. So we have in here our Messenger. Once you have click on that, click on the storage, click on the clear cache as well as the clear data right here. What this will do is will log you out of all your data on all your accounts. That's how you log out from Messenger. Hope we help.